This video will be your full guide on the Best Buy 12-month financing. So, want to buy now and pay later? Here's how Best Buy 12-month financing works step by step. So, first is you need to go to the Best Buy credit card, or also called the bestbuy.com website, just like right here. And once you're approved of their website, you need to sign in and add credit cards for credentiality. You are now qualified for 12-month financing of purchases of $299 or more. Just like normal at checkout, select your Best Buy credit card and it'll show financing offer if your card qualifies. What you see here is that you'll get no interest, but only if you pay it off completely in 12 months. If not, interest goes all the way back to your purchase date. So, right here, as you can see, you're just like paying in cash. But the minimum purchase for that is basically rounding this off is $400. So if you can pay the $400 within 12 months, then you have no problem at all. But if you do not, there will be an interest going back to your purchase date. So yes, Best Buy's 12-month financing is pretty legit, but only if your budget is right and concise. So don't miss a payment and you'll pay zero interest.